1 minute. Here we go. Welcome, welcome, welcome. You got 30 seconds, guys, to prepare for Benjamin's appearance. All right. "30 seconds to prepare for my experience." Hello. Hello, guys, look what I got. I got a few new sounds. Okay. I got the soundboard. Can you guys hear it? Did you hear it? I don't want I wish I didn't do like the expressions and you couldn't hear the audio. Oh, you can hear it? Okay, good. I still gotta add a few more to it, but I want to do it with you guys so you guys can like help me out. So we'll do it at the end of the stream. But I got it in time, so there's no spin the wheel. Bro, we haven't really spun this wheel that much. Anyways, let's get into the charts. We got a good day today. Got a good day ahead of us. I got something very special for you guys. I got Wolfie. I'm also getting into a lawsuit. Just because I'm bored. I signed up for like this members club thing. And it was 2K for 2 months. 2.5K for 2 months. And I go there and I give them the money. And then before those 2 months end up, I give them another 5K for more months. And then before those months started, they randomly just shut down and just took everyone's money. So then I was like, okay, listen, I text him nicely, like, brother, I'm gonna need my money back. And he goes, yeah, bro, sorry, I'm just dealing with my mom in the hospital. She's dying right now, this, that. Blah, 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 blah. And then I go, I'm sorry about your mother. I'm sorry about your mom. Listen, if you want to send me over to the other owner, I could talk about this, but I still want my money back. And he goes, first of all, don't say sorry about your mom and asking for money in the first sentence. Sends me a whole paragraph. And all I say is, you'll be hearing from me soon. And then I'm handing him a 10-day notice with every single member of the club of over $150,000. A 10-day notice to pay it back. Brother thought I was going to sympathize for him. I'm gonna go up. Wait, he's like, hold on. He's like, yeah, bro, I'm sorry. Like, my mom's in the hospital. I was like, listen, I feel so sorry for your mom, but give me my fucking money. I don't like, I'm sorry. And I have a lot more than 5K. But I don't like liars. And I don't like thieves. So I will do what I need to do to, I'll do what I need to do to get that back. Not because I need it, but because I don't like liars. Anyways, good vibes today. You bullish or bearish? I'm relatively neutral, but leaning towards bearish just because of the trend, right? You're looking at price action right now. We did take this low. We could easily reverse from this point, but I want to attack data lows. One thing that I don't like on terms of being bearish is you can see that we took sell side liquidity, and out of all of price action, the one time we really start kind of breaking trend a little bit is right after we take this. As you can see, if I'm going to be bullish, we need to see, like, if I want to be a little greedy, a break above this, but a break above this high. If I want to be bullish, I need to see a break above that high. What does that look like on the 1 minute? Up here. I am not, this is a no-go zone to take any longs until you break out of this high to shift structure. The opening range gap is crazy. We have 30 seconds till 9:30, guys. Also, everybody, welcome to the stream. Make sure to hit that like button. What opening range gap are you talking about? Oh, it's gonna be down here, isn't it? I forgot. I forgot it was not 9:30 yet. Everybody smash that like button. We're gonna find a beautiful entry today. What do you guys think? 9:30 is pushing us bullish. I want to see 9:30 break out of that potentially, but it does look like it's just going to continue down lower. Attack data lows. That's my anticipation, guys. I'm gonna post on oh fuck. Fuck is that? I'm gonna post on on Twitter real quick. Guys, did you see the post of me the outside of Wall Street? He's gonna be posting on his account soon. That's actually so crazy to me. Could you explain why exactly that high? So I'm looking at the hourly chart here, and you can see we don't have any shift in structure until a swing high is broken. You have a low, a high, a lower low, and what? A higher high. So this is a market structure shift. All right. So it does obviously look like it wants to just continue to sell off right now. But we got to give it a little bit of time. We have some room. We have some room. We have some room. We have some time. Take it patiently, guys. Guys, I'm 40 followers away from 10K on Instagram. Everybody go hit on my Instagram. Guys, also, we got a max allocation giveaway with Alpha Futures today. Later on in the stream, we got a max allo giveaway with Alpha Futures. They just hit me up and they're like, hey, I want to give you some accounts to give to your people. So, and gotta fix the wheel. Hopefully we don't have to spin the wheel today. I wouldn't want to do that. But we haven't spun the wheel yet, you know. Well, we have, but the thing was give away an account. CJ, I'm still trying to work on it. If you want a different funded account with a different firm, then I can do that. But if you said you wanted Lucid, I have to wait one more day. Or Apex, I have to ask. What's up, Bella? Good morning. Yo, Bella, go get David. Did you see what he posted on his story? Bella. What is that restaurant? Wait, I'm pulling it up. Look at what this restaurant is called. Yo. Well, I'm gonna trade away. I'm in trade away. So we're not taking this inefficiency here. We don't want to take this inefficiency. This is way too early into 9:30. And if we do get any chance on getting a reversal, we would do this first. So give it some time, guys. That's funny. That is funny. By the way, guys, I have some huge news for you guys. I am not going to be trading funded accounts soon. I will be, but not just funded accounts soon. I'm going to be putting about $25,000 into a Trade-of-8 live account. And I'm going to start trading live funds to build up my track record. I've been consistent for... like consistent for about a year now, and I feel like if I can just do that on live, the payout would be good, but B, the actual the track record that I'll have will give me a lot of reputation. So I actually did just send my first payment. I can only do payments. Here's the thing about Trade-of-8 brokerage is I can only pay in specific amounts with the way I can pay because I'm Canadian. So I can only do $2,500 per deposit. So I have to deposit a few times, which will take a few weeks. But once it's all in, then I'll start trading. I'm not going to trade before I have my full balance. But I'm going to be putting, I just sent a deposit of $2,500. I'm going to do another one in 2 days when the balance hits. And then every time it hits, I can do it again until I get up to 25,000. Then we'll start trading live funds. Like my own capital. How much would you risk on a 25K account? $1,000 per trade. Because realistically, people would risk $1,000 per trade on a 150K account, which has a 5K drawdown. I have 25K drawdown, but I want to remember, I want to survive the ups and downs. Like, I need to survive what that 9-day losing streak happened like 3 weeks ago. Okay, I need to be able to survive that. So I'm only going to be risking $1,000 per trade with a 25K account size, and that is not reckless, brother. You got to realize what the drawdown is. It's $25,000 of drawdown. It's not like a funded account. Mate, you're about to come the biggest LARP. What the fuck? You're gonna start trading on live account and start promoting an unregulated broker. Bro, what? Bro thinks I'm SCI. Bro, Trade-of-8 is not an unregulated broker. Increase volume. Kick him out. No. You guys are ruthless, dude. 1 second. Oh, wow. That black coffee is hurting. Not a lot of people are trading this week, guys. Not a lot of people are trading this week. And you can notice by the viewers as well. Look at the price action from the data. From the data rip, a lot of people are taking this week off. And it's, you know what? If I didn't have to stream, I would probably just take it off until it breaks one of these highs. Realistically, I would walk away. So I don't disagree with those people. How do you drink black coffee? It's the best, bro. It just kills my stomach though whenever I eat. People are waiting for what is happening with Iran. Which outcome? That's going to take months, dude. That's going to take a long time. That's going to take a long time. But listen, we got a great session ahead of us. We got 930 that is slightly moving. It's consolidating a little bit. We got to give it some time. What we are anticipating to happen here is 2 outcomes, okay? 2 outcomes that I am anticipating to happen. I want to see price action. Either give us a reaction after taking sell side liquidity here and start pushing up above, attacking that high right there. Right? If we also go and check out that midnight open price level, you can see what is left open. Wide open. Wide open. Midnight open. What do we have with the regular? Hello. Pretty big gap there. Regular trading hour gap. All right. So it would make sense to reverse after taking sell side liquidity here. But we definitely needed more bullishness than this. And we have bearish 930 manipulation as well. So that would be nice. But again, you do not want to take longs no matter what until it actually starts breaking structure. I would say once it breaks this high, you can then look for a long because your target's up here. So realistically, you still have Like if you're going for midnight open and not the high, you can drag your fib and you have room even after taking this high to get an entry. But realistically, if your target is the high, you still have quite a bit of room here to get an entry still in a discount. So that's what I'm anticipating is I want to see at least it trade close to this high before I look for an entry. But until then, I want to see this low hanging fruit just get wiped out. I'm gonna send you a post on Insta. Yeah, Krish, but presidents do that all the time. I give you till Friday to make this decision. Then they don't make the decision. Then they're gonna threat them more, and it's all talk until it's not. It's all talking threats until it's not. Until somebody has the balls to double down. But even if they do, they won't. Because you guys have to understand the narrative behind this. What's happening right now and the conflict that is happening right now is America does not have a way to counter it right now. So they're using verbal threats. Iran has missiles that are worth $50,000. Has things, has all these devices. These, I think they're called missiles that are $50,000 that cost America taxpayer dollars $1.5 million per missile to shoot down those missiles. So right now Iran is depleting the budget. And on top of that, creating these dummy things. So when they go try to blow it up, it's actually not real. Right now, what is happening is the oil demand is going even more crazy. And on top of that, there isn't like a easy way to go around it. So there's just verbal threat until somebody has the balls to do it. But even if they have the balls to do it, it's not the right decision. So I honestly don't know what's going to come next. Also, fellas, no way. W Alpha Futures, bro. Okay, they just gave code Ben 25% off. Just code Ben, no other code. It's only on code Ben, 25% off, and it ends at the end of the stream, guys. Damn, okay. So right now the discount, I believe, is 10%, but only on code Ben, which ends at the end of the stream. So after this stream, it's no more discount. It's 25% off. Nice try, pal. Bro, I'm being dead ass. Look. Look. End stream now. No trade yet. No, we're waiting for some sort of move up higher. You can see 930 manipulation to the downside is beautiful. Beautiful. I'm going to go live on TikTok, chat. 1 second. I'm going to start my live on TikTok. All right, the TikTok fam is pulling up. That was a good one. I'm being dead ass. It's 25% off right now. I entered code Ben and started glowing. Wait, what? What do you think of the 4-hour bearish for value gap? I'm looking for longs here, guys. Look at this. Look at this wick right here. Does this not look like 930 manipulation? Look at this 15-minute candle. Okay? Turtle soup on that low. Push up. Break this high. Look for longs. Target midnight open. Boom. It's rinsed. And there's SMT. Beautiful. Let's check what oil's doing here. Because we always got to look at that oil. We want to see oil being bearish. You can see it takes this high, trades into this inefficiency. Oil right now is in a 15-minute bearish fair value gap. Couple the order block. Beautiful reaction. Looks like it could really have a reversal here. There's not enough information to bet on a reversal, but there's enough information to anticipate that there will be a reversal. So what I'm doing right now is I'm not betting that there's a reversal, but I'm going to anticipate that there will be a reversal. What's up, TikTok? Guys, I'm live on YT. Benjamin_S. Look at this 15-minute candle right here, chat. Look at this 15-minute candle. Does that not look like it's going to be bullish up to these highs? Now, there's not enough information to take along right now. That is just gambling. Don't do that. But be patient. Ben Oil is holding bullish 15-minute fair value gap too. Yeah, I mean, but you have to look at narrative. What do we just take? Buy side liquidity. What are we retesting? Like, we push down lower, turtle soup this. We turn up. We already tested this 15-minute. Now it has to failure swing to that high and then push down again, rebalance, and then already start pushing down. It's more favor towards the downside on oil and the upside here. On terms of actual fundamental analysis with oil, I don't see any news that would bring oil more bearish, so that doesn't give us a little bit of an edge. Let me check Bloomberg. Bloomberg oil news. One second. There's nothing really crazy on terms of oil news that can give us a little bit of an edge on this trade. So I'm just going to stick to technical analysis here. What, bro? They're just doing more, bro. Anyone who uses code BEN in the next 48 hours has the chance to win an iPad. What the fuck? Bro, Alpha Futures got unlimited pockets. I'm being dead ass. Like, look at this reaction too. We're gonna catch a long here, guys. I gotta lock in on this real quick. Look at this push. Does that not look like it's a bullish rally here? Okay, one thing to key note here though, guys, is look how there's zero fair value gap fills. Look how it's super fast. Majority of the time, what's gonna happen is an consolidation, expansion, retracement, expansion. So don't early on enter into any fair value gaps here unless it shows strong and breaks structure to this upside on that 1 hour chart. So just be a little bit patient. Okay. Right now, it's 25% off with only strictly code BEN until the end of the stream. Anyone who uses code BEN in the next 48 hours has the chance to win an iPad. And he's typing. I wonder what else he's going to say. This guy's got fucking fat pockets, bro. Oh, Lee. Bro, just long? Bro. No, bro. What are you talking about? Wait, what is this soundboard again? Okay, that's if I like say I'm gonna win a trade and then it goes to a losing thing. I'll do that one. And then this one is for if someone says something stupid. Yeah, that's good. I gotta add more soundboards though. Riley, thank you for the $2, brother. Ben, look at the M5 and getting along. Guys, there is no entry yet. I know it's you're eager to want to be looking for a long here, chat, but you have to understand what the job of the what is the point of manipulation? To make you think it's going to be bullish and then push down lower. You need to wait for confirmation before. You need to wait for confirmation before, guys. An iPad is crazy. Hey, if you want to be an iPad kid, be an iPad kid. Look at that fair value gap. Does Benjamin SMC not take that every day? Yes. But in this profile, no. This is literally my IOFED entry model. But I'm going to show you guys something really quickly. Any day of the week, take this. Any day of the week, take that. Regardless of the profile, I take that. Well, not regardless of the profile, but you know what I mean. But understanding narrative needs to be greater than your your lower time frame. And it is not high enough probability to look for an entry yet until we break this high. That any day of the week, I would take that fair value gap if it broke this high. No reason not to take this. There's 100% of a reason not to take this. We haven't shifted structure on that 1 hour. I'm going to wait for one push up higher. And then if I get an entry here, maybe I could take it, but I need to see a push up higher again. So for example, I would need to see this push up to this high. And then I'd do this. This would be my trade. All right. But see how it's invalidating that inefficiency there? It's already showing signs of like, this isn't something you really want to stick with. Also, if this was IO-fed, realistically, this entry should have already been above that high. You'll see. Okay, so basically what I got texted by Alpha Futures is I'm doing a max allocation end of stream giveaway of 5 100k 0 accounts, no activation fees, no consistency in evals. Strictly only code Ben has 25% off for the stream, and anyone who uses code Ben in the next 48 hours has a chance to win an iPad. That's what they told me this stream has right now for Alpha Futures. Okay. By the way, guys, I have really weird news about the Lambo, all right? I have really weird news. Obviously, couldn't find another co-signer, couldn't do the lease to own, so tax purposes a little off there, but I anticipated that. So I was like, okay, I'll just buy the car in cash. You know, I wish I could do better write-offs, but I'll just buy it in cash. See how I avoided this entry? Okay, see how I avoided this entry. Do you look at this? Does this look like low resistance liquidity run to you? No, it does not. That's why narrative over profile, guys. Yes, on Alpha Futures. That's why narrative over profile. I mean, over entry. Everyone's eager to get into long here, but I'm eager to wait for confirmation first. It's like getting on a train just because the train is there, but you don't know which destination it's going. You know what I mean? There's two train platforms. There's a train here and a train here. And you're just gonna get on the one that comes first without knowing which direction it's going in. And you're gonna anticipate that you're on the right train. No, I'm gonna wait. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait for the announcement that says, and then get on the train that says it's going in that direction. Why can't you get the whip? No, I am getting the whip. I'm just not getting that one. The orange Lambo, I'm not getting. I told myself if I'm going to buy in cash, I'm just going to get a little bit of a better one. So I'm not getting the orange Lambo. I'm probably going to wait another 15 to 20 days and I'm going to get a... I'm thinking I'm getting a base model Aventador. The V12 is too hard to pass up on. Let me see if what I can do. What do you guys think? Base model Aventador or a higher quality Huracan? Okay, look at this really quickly here, chat. Look at this entry now. Look at this. Look at this. This is what I like to see here. We broke the high, we rebalance and quickly grab more liquidity there in that inefficiency. Then we look for some longs. Now, this is my type of entry. Watch it just not work. Watch that entry work, but then that one doesn't. 5R. I don't like how it's not bodying there, and it's... See, it... To me, it looks like it's going to have a rebalance. To me, chat, it looks like it's going to have a rebalance. It's a consolidation, expansion, or retracement expansion. It looks like it's going to revisit this 5-minute. I just need a little bit more confirmation, man. Like, it's... I know it looks so obvious to get into a long, guys, but you have to trust my studying. Like, I know the data behind these entries, and it's just not there right now. Like, that is a decent entry. Okay, I'll take that. I will take that. It's a 950 macro as well. Fills a fair value gap at the 953. At the macro at 953.
Order filled.
By the way, we're cutting risk today. Okay, we're still in the data, so we're cutting a little bit of risk today, guys. We're cutting risk. All right. I'm risking $400 on this trade instead of 800. All right, I'm half risking it, but look at that reaction. Look at that reaction and that delivery from that 950 macro. You can see consequent encroachment of that fair value gap was not even touched, and it instantly starts ripping back up higher. Look at that beautiful push right there. That is what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about. One second, I'm just working on trade of it. I don't love how it's not filming fair value gaps though, guys. That's one thing I'm not loving, but we should be fine. I gotta do this really quickly. Guys, live on YT. I'm on YT. See, I don't like that retest there. I'm gonna drag my stop loss already, guys. So now we're only gonna be risking up close to we're only going to be risking about $200 on this trade. So this is a cut risk plus drag stop loss of 50%. This is basically what this is basically like a break even on a regular trade. But see why I'm doing this really quickly, guys. It's not forming inefficiencies, but I'm giving it enough room to still do this. One second, guys. Let's look at what oil's doing right now. Oil's pushing lower, so it's temporarily rebalancing. That's why we're doing this, but we should be fine. Should be fine. Worst case, we lose what, $180 on this? Is that a spin of the wheel though, guys? Does that count as a spin? I mean, actually, no, I forgot to change it to negative balance. So I will spin the wheel, but that's only if we finish the day negative. Here, guys. Okay, all right, I'm gonna, hold on. This is the, this is everything about the alpha futures things. Oh, whoops. Hold on. I gotta send it again. I didn't edit out. There we go. Yes, this is a spin on the wheel. Even like $180 loss is a spin on the wheel, bro. Y'all want to see my downfall?
Stop filled.
Scared the shit out of me. All right. How much did we actually lose on that? Not shabby. Not Thomas shabby. All right, fellas, fine. I'll give it to you. Cause just because we haven't spun the wheel that often. All right, because we've been winning and breaking even. We've only spun it once since I started it. All right. And remember, if I don't have the item like the one chip, we just spin again. But this, I only do the thing at the end of stream if I end it. If I end negative. All right. I'm scared. Okay, Give away a free funded account. I already did that last time. That was my last punishment. Do you want me to respin? Should I respin? I told you guys, yeah. You know what? I should have stuck to my original bias, guys. It's going to break up to the structure, then rebalance to this 5 minute, then turn up. I should have stuck to... Because we're already giving away free funded accounts with Alpha Futures. By the way, guys, that message is for Alpha Futures. Not Apex, Alpha. Alpha, Delta. There we go. Respin. Enter again. Bro. I was so right. I called that shit bar for bar, bro. Yo. That's just on me, to be honest, for not entering on that. Yo. Nah, you got me fucked up. I'll wait for another IOFED entry. It's okay, guys. But damn, bro, I called that bar for bar. We're gonna wait for another IOFED entry. We just gotta be patient, guys. I'll look for the fair value gap right here. Let me focus before I spin the wheel again. It's a bigger stop loss, though. Wow, I called that bar for bar, dude. One second. Getting ready to re-entry here. Okay, it's trading into the inefficiency roughly. Just tap it. Just give it a little tap. There we go. Beautiful. It's in it right now. Yep. Okay, put the candle back to break even up here, and then we're going to get into the long. Show a little bit of rejection here. Oil's in that inefficiency to the downside. Oil's starting to push lower. All right, I'm hovering over that entry. A beautiful BPR there. I just want to see it start pushing up a little bit higher than where we are right now. Patience, 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 guys.
Order filled.
All right. We'll give this long a re-entry, guys. What's the RR on this? It should be, yeah, 2.25. We'll give this long another try. Beautiful fair value gap reaction off that. I could have got the most beautiful turtle soup, but I mean, like, the body confirmation was up here anyways, so. Whoa, why is one of my trades so different? I got spread to Narnia, dude, on one of my accounts. What the heck? Right now, I'm resting like negative $40, no, $20, and right now it's at 50 on this account. That's weird. It's retesting this fair value up again. It should just retest it, but not go below consequent quotient. It should push up higher again. We have 930 manipulation to the downside, taking sell side liquidity. It looks beautiful. If this is going to be somewhat of a decent profile for power of 3, what we're anticipating here is it's all pushing lower, right? Manipulation, last leg of manipulation at 930, takes sell side liquidity, turtle soups, break structure to the upside, retests the inefficiency, so consolidation, expansion, retracement, expansion, breaks up, forms a BPR, trades into it, then pushes back up higher. If this doesn't work, then it's just a systematic loss, guys. Like, this is, I would take this entry any day of the week. Now, I am cutting risk still, just because, why? Because this is a very, very clean profile and entry. I'm cutting risk because we are still in the data range. We have the lows and the highs that we haven't taken yet. So consolidation is anticipated. But look at this hourly body close. Does that not look like a reversal? So I'd be pretty surprised if it retests that low again. I do anticipate it's going to turn up. Just give it a little bit of time. Give it breathing room. All right, I'll spin the wheel. I know you want me to. Oh, wait. Wait, I just broke it. Hold on. All right. This is if I have it. Ah! Nah, you're capping. Nah. I have to full port my accounts, bro. Bro, I've been working so hard on these. Nah, I gotta win this trade. I gotta win this trade, bro. Nah, and that's only on a $200 loss. That's not even a full loss. Are you serious? Nah. So if I lose this trade, I basically got a full port. Nah, that's actually cooked. Yo, you guys. Bro. By the way, guys, Alpha Futures is strictly 25% off with only code Ben right now. Only code Ben is 25% off. Everyone else's code is 10, I believe. 15. Just do it now? No, what do you mean just do it now? This is supposed to be a cut risk day that I've been doing. Like I'm cutting risk on these days. Like, we're only risking $400 to $500 per trade right now. It's supposed to be a cut risk day. What are you talking about? Do I have to turn it into a full port? Okay, but nah, y'all got me fucked up, bro. Nah, y'all got me fucked up. I have to full port my accounts now. Oil still looks bearish, dude. Oil still looks bearish. Just, again, give it some time. It's in an order block right here. Look how it reacts to the upper quadrant. It doesn't touch mean threshold. By the way, guys, I'm doing a live stream with Peter Tuchman, the Einstein of Wall Street, okay? The Einstein of Wall Street. I'm the first ever streamer to be doing this. Ever. To be doing an exclusive free masterclass with the Einstein of Wall Street. Go register right now with this link, guys. And you'll be eligible for over 100 accounts of giveaways and free souvenirs from Wall Street. It's free, by the way. Bro, if you wouldn't added them on that retracement, you would be up a bag. I'm not adding more positions just because of the lower probability day that we have. Although it's a very clean profile for long, it's a lower probability day. So in these types of days, even clean entries like what we have right now might not work. And I'm not trading off of feelings. Remember, I'm trading off of statistics. And statistically, my model tells me to cut risk on these type of days when we're consolidating for longer than 2 days and data highs and lows. The rule that's in my notebook, the rule that is in my statistics says that when there is a massive move based off of news or some economic event, and we consolidate inside that daily range for 2 days, every day after that is cut risk until we break out of the range. Wow. Also, Alpha Futures, we offer the largest withdrawal cap in the industry, sitting at $15,000 per account. Holy. With a 40% consistency rule. So if you get 5 accounts to max payout, you can get a $75,000 payout from one payout. Wow. No last license, bro. Yeah, Alpha Futures is tough. When was my last payout? In January. I haven't gotten a payout since, and I'm actually low-key like fucking starving now. Usually I get payouts every month, but February was like a losing streak, and March is more of a like I went into March in my losing streak, so the first part of March was tough, but then I had a 9-day winning streak or 8-day winning streak, lost, and then had another huge 4R win right after that, and now I'm break even. So I'm still positive on March, but I'm not at the point of getting that payout. Like this week so far, I started off Monday break even, Tuesday I lost, Wednesday I broke even, and then today, if I close the day out after this trade, it would be one loss because it's 2 cut risk trades. Well, actually not even, because I closed at $200 on the last trade. But we tapped mean threshold of this order block. We got to start pushing up higher. Again, I'm still bullish. I'm not anticipating a reversal to the downside here. But it's not looking too great anymore, guys. The order block is our last line of support here. Like I said, I'm still bullish because of that 1 hour body reaction. You just got to give it time. I need to see it completely disrespect this inefficiency here. As long as they're respecting this order block, I'm going to stay in the trade. You should full port now. No, I'm not full porting these accounts unless I have to, meaning like, that punishment only applies if I finish the session negative. If I win this trade, then I'm not doing that. No way. There's a Super Mario Galaxy movie coming out. No way. That was the best game ever made. Super Mario Galaxy, bro. Who remembers that? Bro keeps changing the rules. No, I didn't make that up. I said that yesterday. All right, if we break mean threshold, I'm probably going to get out of this trade early. Doesn't look too good. Because that looks like a short entry. We got to bounce up higher now. Because that does look like a beautiful short entry after taking buy side here. Looks like it wants to attack that low, so I'm probably going to end up closing this trade. We'll see where this body candle reaction gives us. 10 seconds. Four, 3, 2, 1. One thing is oil still looks so bearish. So I don't think I should touch it. Just a little bit choppier, but again, oil looks so bearish. Like oil looks like it's reversing to the downside. Taking buy side, it just broke structure. The only way we would get stopped out here is if oil wants to rebalance and then push lower again. But I'm not anticipating oil to go back up to these highs. I'm anticipating oil to really start pushing down lower, attack this low-hanging fruit right there. So realistically, I'm just gonna let the trade sit. I'll stay on the higher time frame. That's a little bit better for me. 5 minute time frame makes it look a little bit cleaner. Don't get out. I'm not. Ben, is there a giveaway at the end of the stream? Yes, we're giving away max allocation on Alpha Futures. There's also an exclusive 25% off discount code right now with code Ben for Alpha Futures. And anyone that uses my code in the next 48 hours could win an iPad. That's the deal we have right now. Look at that reaction, though. I'm telling you guys, it looks bullish to me. Just give oil some time, dude. Oil's going to rip lower. I'm pretty confident in longs here, chat. Pretty confident in the longs. By the way, guys, if you want to get prop firm Tinder, check out the website I made, propfirmgain.com. Match your trading style with prop firms. I just got a Tradeify account with code. Let's go, brother. Bro just said it looks bearish, not bullish. I said the 1 minute looks bearish. 5 minute looks bullish. I'm still have that bullish bias though. We broke structure. We bodied past structure. So I have that bullish bias, right? Just because I say the 1 minute looks bearish doesn't mean I think the whole profile is bearish. I just said the 1 minute looks bearish, which means it could have a temporary retracement and then push up higher again. That's why I stuck on the 5 minute. Remember, narrative is always more important than your entry. But yeah, guys, I think I'm getting a better Lambo. Like, what do you guys think about a base model Aventador instead? The V12. You know what I mean? Fuck. There's a nice entry. What's that? A base model Aventador? Bro. Base model Aventador. This. Chat, should I get this or should I get like a Huracan Technica? This is like a V2. This is a V12 mid-body engine car. But one thing about it is it's a lot like jerkier. Like I could get one for roughly like 500, 400K. 2018 Aventador. 2014. I'm not gonna get a 2014. Yeah, like 459K. 39K kilometers on it. That's not bad. Look at that reaction to the upside. Aventador, really? Over the Technica? Because remember, the Technica is more reliable. It's a smoother transition. Lower insurance. The Aventador is like... It comes with downsides too. It's a lot. It's an older car. It's not as reliable. It's more expensive with everything. Nah. I'd only get a Porsche if it's a GT2 or GT3 RS. Pay attention? I'm paying attention, bro. Where I go to, but single clutch might get annoying. Yeah, that's what I'm saying is the single clutch. I want dual clutch. That's why I'm thinking of getting the Technica. The 812 is $700,000. I'm not spending that much money on a car. Maybe not right now. It's my birthday. Happy birthday, brother. Guys, it's my birthday in 3 days. 3 days, your boy's turning 20. Your boy's turning into Unk status. Give it some time, guys. It's consolidating, but it's still kind of respecting that bullish flow. Oil's still pushing down lower. Give it some time. Guys, we're live on YT. Benjamin _ SMC at YT TikTok. Go follow. Go watch my YT stream. Shut up, Ben. You don't deserve a birthday. Okay. When's my birthday? March 29th. Ugh, this market's ugly though, chat. Like we need an expansion. Like we're long overdue for an expansion. I mean, we have 1030 coming up, but better investment long term is what? The Aventador? We'll be fine, guys. I'm confident in this entry. Just give it some time. Just breathe. Trust it. Keep your stop loss at a relative point, and you're going to be fine. Guys, I got to sneeze. Ooh. Ah! Patience, guys. Terrible reaction. I don't know. The market's a little bit iffy. I'm glad I cut risk, though. I made the right decision by cutting risk today. I hope you guys cut risk with me. I hope you guys are not full risking these. The profile's a little bit ugly now. We got to give it time. Uh-oh. The people are getting... Fuck! The people who are getting nervous are risking too much. That is a bar, bro. That is so true. If you are nervous, you're risking too much. I don't care, bro. I cut risk on this trade. I'm happy with it. I'm more than happy with this trade. A 15-minute. Fuck's sakes! I don't have allergies. I have a cat that gets hair up my nose. Patience is everything, guys. Terrible, terrible, terrible market conditions right now. It's a shame because it looked so beautiful. It looked so beautiful for the power of 3, all right? But it could be market maker buy model, right? Smart money reversal, SMT, I'm pretty sure on the lows. Expansion, first stage accumulation. Expansion, second stage accumulation, expansion. We have midnight open being left open. We're consolidating after shifting structure. So it could be something like this, guys. Look. Look. Market maker buy model. So this consolidation, although it's not as good for higher probability, it does not technically mean that the trade's invalid. Like, remember that. This does not technically mean that you should get out of the trade. It's just reaccumulating orders. We could get an expansion, retracement, expansion again. Just a reaccumulation of orders. So just relax, guys. Just wait. Exactly. Is anyone like doing like really good this year? And be honest, like I feel like everybody in the markets right now is having either a mid-year, an okay year, or a terrible year so far. Is anyone like just dominating, just like winning everything? And obviously it depends on your model. Like some people have good models in this profile, some people have good models in that profile. So it just because you're not doing good doesn't mean you're not a good trader. Like for me, I'm positive this year, but I'm not like dominating like I did last year. Like remember, I still got $250,000 I've made this year so far from trading. Terrible 3 years. Terrible 3 years. A little bit long. Like realistically, if I've been trading one live personal fund account right now, I would be up. I would be up a lot because I wouldn't have that like that payout structure, which is why I'm switching. Hey Ben, my family was deported recently. But I have been living by myself and working every day. I'm 18 and I have been watching you for a year. Trading is the only reason I have not given up. And God, hey brother, God bless my man. Listen, that's a story. Every time you go through something of adversity, you have a story. That's more valuable than money. So cherish it. You'll be fine. God's in control. Not killing it, but my best few months yet. I'm still pretty new, but I've made like 32K in payouts. Nice, brother. Trump will be on the microphone. I swear this guy's on the microphone every day. I mean, we still have beautiful bullish order flow here. Like, I know it's consolidation, it's reaccumulation, but it's respecting bullish order flow. Like, there's no reason to get out of the trade. I just read your message, V-Loan. V-Loan economic. Or V-Loanomic. What do I make more on? Trading or sponsorships and social media? This year so far, my other flows of income, but it's not just sponsorships and social media. I'm an angel investor in VCing. I have a company that's raising another round and I'm getting out of it. So I have a lot of money coming in there. Like a lot. I have a lot of other, like I make short-term option plays. I have affiliate marketing. I have sponsorships. I have trading. I have quite a bit of flows of income. How long did it take me to gather all those flows of incomes? Well, I've been trading and working on trading since I was 13 years old, and I'm turning 20 in 3 days. So you could say since I was 13. Patience, guys. We're going to get a push up here. This is just reaccumulation. I'm not too worried at all, so just trust the process. Trust the process, guys. So right now what I'm looking at again is just it's a reaccumulation of orders. There's no reason to be getting out of your trade here. If your stop loss is at the low, you should be fine. Like we should be fine here. It's going to expand, retrace, and expand again. It's market maker buy model, chat. Market maker buy model. We could get wicked out, then rip up. Well, that's a possibility in every trade is getting wicked out. I think we should be fine. I don't think it should rip down lower. I think it's just going to rip up higher from here. Just give it some time, guys. Give it some time. It's a beautiful order flow, beautiful shift in structure to the upside. It just broke structure. Now it's reaccumulating, and then it's turning up to midnight open. We have a beautiful draw here at midnight open. I think good things come to those who wait, guys. You just got to be patient. But by the way, guys, do not forget that at the end of the stream, we're giving away a bunch of Alpha Future accounts. When did I start learning from ICT? 2021. Near the end of 2021. Hold on. I've never traded Alpha Futures. Are they good? Yeah. They got some really good accounts. First time in your live. Welcome, Sherry. It's a shame that you're joining on a little bit of a shittier probability market, but we did cut risk on this, so we're doing fine. We also have a punishment, which is if we close the session out negative, I have to full port my accounts because the wheel of punishment over here. Fucking thing. So remember, we should anticipate that it's going to break up to the upside, so don't be worried about any temporary push down. Hey, TikTok, I'm going to be ending stream here. Join my YT, Benjamin _ SMC. One second, guys. You know what's funny? People are saying that the video of Einstein on Wall Street talking about me is AI. Like, how fucking stupid do you have to be? Go check his story. Why would I post AI about that? One of the biggest compliments though is flexing something and people not believing in it, so they have to say it's AI. Like, that's crazy. Like, that's a next level cope, is calling someone's success AI. Look at oil, it's starting to push down lower here. Beautiful. Disgusting consolidation here, but we have that 15-minute fair value gap. That's our last line of support here, but after this I'm probably not going to take any trades. So guys, this is probably the trade. Like, I don't want to take any more trades, so I would probably have to be full porting after this. But we'll do, before we do the full port, we'll give away accounts. We'll do all the stuff. We got 10:30 in 9 seconds. A 15-minute fair value gap below there. Right? Let's see. Again, it's still in a consolidation, so. The alpha 0 accounts still. This price action's horrible. I mean, I predicted it because I cut risk. So I'm happy. I'm happy because my system still works. My system works so well, dude. It's so, like, the logic behind it is so smart. 2 days in consolidation, the next day's a cut risk because of the data, until we break out of the data highs or lows. And that prevented me from losing a shit ton of money today. But, well, not really, but I lost $200 on the first trade, and now this is my second trade. So it prevented me from losing $400 instead of $200 because it was 50% cut risk. Since I donated, do I win the giveaway? No, but thank you for the $2, John. But you know what this means though, guys, is the reaccumulation of orders here means that there's going to be a lot of volatility once we break out of this range. The fact that we're reaccumulating here means that we're going to get a lot of speed once we break out, so we'll be fine. Ben, is Lucid Flex better than Pro? Yes, Lucid Flex is better than Lucid Pro accounts. But they're both really good, so. But they're both good in their own ways. You can go search up prop firm gain. You can check it out there. Look at that beautiful reaction to the upside there, chat. The trade is not over. The trade is not over. Foot City, if you're gonna rage bait, you have to change your name because I know your name now. Make the punishment remove stop loss on next trade. That's a good one, bro. Wait, I'm gonna remove one of them and do that. I'm doing that. What are we removing, chat? Moving the one chip. No stop loss. That's a good one. Oh, I have another one. Wait, no, that wouldn't work. It would be... What's another one? Accidentally sold a micro. All good, brother. People do it. Give it time. It's still reaccumulating. I would want it to break out of the range very soon, though, chat. Like, I don't want to see it hang around too much. Remove free? No. No TP? Well, when would I close? When will I close? So guys, we really got to be patient. There's nothing to be fighting for. Just go and grab popcorn or something. Go and grab popcorn, relax. You don't need to do any crazy analysis. Just let the trade play out, okay? Analysis paralysis. Don't do it. Why is oil dumping but NQ isn't rising? Sometimes it's not fully correlated. When it's not correlated like that, then it's a lot lower probability as well. But guys, if you aren't streaming or if you aren't relying on trading, you should probably like not trade for the next month. Like, I'm not gonna lie. If you're trading live accounts and you're not streaming, the best decision for you guys to do is just to wait. till April 30th. Wait until May. Why? Because look at the probability of the markets with the war, right? And you look at the daily chart, dude. Is this high probability markets? No. Remember, our job as traders is to trade high probability and maximize the potential. Realistically, it's better just to walk away if you're trading live capital. If you're trading funded accounts, you this, that, you can still do it, but you're not going to find as many opportunities. Like, although I'm positive on this month and I'm net positive on this year, if I could go back and choose to just not trade the entire year, I would do that. It's better to just walk away and come back when it's higher probability. But again, I'm a streamer. I trade funded accounts. We'll soon be trading live accounts. So I'm still going to trade it. What's another punishment, guys? No hat? No. Just give it time, guys. It's reaccumulating. Oil's starting to push lower. I already have a helmet on there. Are Lucid Directs worth it? Every Lucid account is really good. Shave my beard? No. There we go. Oil's starting to dump. There we go. Beautiful. We're oil's finally out of this range if we can get a body. How to join the Discord in the description of this stream. Wow, oil's dumping, but then NQ's just not moving. Dye your hair a random color. Bro, I'm not doing that from a losing session. Are you crazy? Does trading affect your gym workouts? No. I have no emotion tied to trading anymore. I've been doing this for so long and everything has happened to me, from blowing accounts to this, that. Like, I live the same life if I win or not. Why isn't it just a link? Because then every single one and their moms would join with bots. You just have to register for it. It's free. 15-minute fair value gap, Ben. I know. I know. But it's not looking too great. I'm glad I cut risk on it. Yeah, it's disrespecting the 15-minute. Probably gonna end up walking from this. I'm not gonna look for any entry after this. So I might just run into doing the giveaway. And I'll accept the fate of the full port. No, I think I should full port different accounts, bro. I'm about to get a payout on these. I'm gonna do different accounts. I still have other accounts though, but I'll full port those. We should be fine, guys, realistically. It's in that 15-minute fair value gap. Should see some bullishness start. Get a new stack. I'll full port like 4 accounts. Just do 1 account. dead shot. That's insane. Patience, guys. Patience. You got to learn how to trust your trade. If you can't trust your trade, even when it's in drawdown, then you're never going to be able to if you try to anticipate that your trade is going to just rip up as soon as you get in the entry every time, then you're never going to survive drawdown. You're going to close too early. You're not going to know how to cut risk. You're not going to know how to close early. You won't know how to do anything. Let's check any updates on the car situation. Give it some time, guys. How do we enter the giveaway? By being in stream. By being in stream by the end of the stream. Then you can be eligible for giving for 5 Alpha Futures accounts. And right now, code Ben for Alpha Futures is strictly 25% off. It's the only code in the world that is 25% off right now. It's the best deal you can get. And you can win an iPad if you use it. Look at that reaction. Woo, baby! Told ya. Who told ya? What is the sound of? I keep forgetting what that soundboard is. Patience pays, bro. Patience pays. I told y'all motherfuckers. Ah! It looks like I'm not gonna have to pull port my accounts. Ugh. Patience pays, dude.
Stop filled.
Fuck. We got a full port. Fuck. Because I don't want to trade anymore on these accounts. Alright, I'm locking my Lucid accounts out. So what's my final balance on the day with these? Final balance on the entire day is $681. Negative $681 on the day, which is less than 1 RR. Look at this 1 minute chart, dude. What the fuck? Less than 1 RR, which is beautiful risk management. On terms of like, on for real note though, the risk management on this week has been really, really good. We've been 2 break-even days, 2 losing days, but this losing day is less than 1 RR. So it's really good risk management. We're still up net positive on the month. We're still, remember, we had that 8-day winning streak. We still have so much capital that we're playing with, but we got a full port now. So let me switch my accounts really quickly. We're gonna do the giveaway, and then we're gonna full port. I feel like it's perfect to full port right now because he's like streaming. All right, we getting in. Wait. I'm full porting. Here we go. I'm selling.
Order filled.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Yo! Oh, shit. I haven't done this in like... I've never done this purposely. What did we close at? Oh no. Don't you dare reverse off that 1 minute. Don't you dare reverse off that 1 minute. Don't you dare do it. Come on, for the stream. Also remember, we're giving away our accounts right after this trade. We're giving away accounts. Break even? That's not a full port then. Should I break even? Okay. Yo. You risked that was your full port? Okay. I don't even know how full ports work because I don't do it. So this is a full port, right? These aren't on the same accounts. I closed the other accounts negative, by the way, just to let you know. Okay. We're up 10K right now. Don't do this, by the way, guys. This is not how you make money. Do I close this? Do I close this? Like, what's going on? No, I mean, we're break even now. Take it, take it, take it. Nah, fuck y'all. I'm not taking this shit. We're going for it all. We're going for 3K. Boom.
Order
Get
filled.
the fuck out of there. W. Yo. All right. I'll take it. Successful punishment. Hey. Thank you. Thank you, full port. Thank you. We're still closing the day out negative on the Lucid account, so we have 2 break-even days, 2 negative days this week so far. Hopefully, if we get 1 win Friday, we have a positive week. Just remember that. Discipline-wise, Lucid accounts doing perfect. Very, very comfortable spot. We have a lot of buffer room still. We're close to a payout as well. I believe if I get like 3 more winning trades, we'll get it. So, hey, nice full port though. That was the punishment. All right, time to give away these accounts, guys. 5 alpha futures. Where, hold on. Let me, I need to open up my WhatsApp. I need to open up my WhatsApp because we're going to give away these accounts now. Max allocation. All right. First off, before we do that, hold on. I want to talk a little bit about Alpha Futures, the company that's blessing us with these account giveaways right now. Right now, you can use code Ben for 25% off. Strictly just code Ben has that discount. You can also potentially win an iPad as well if you use code Ben. Alpha, they have a new thing coming in, Alpha Edge versus the industry, path to live trading, where traders can trade live funds with Alpha Prime in London, where other firms don't have true live opportunity. We also offer salaries, mentorship, and scaling. All right. They offer the largest withdrawal cap in the industry at 15,000 per request per account. This line blows every other prop firm out of the industry. So Top Step's 5,000. My fund of futures is 1,200. We have a fair consistency rule of only 3 trading days, 40% requirement, no buffer requirements, withdraw when you wish, opposed to Top Step with 5 winning days. No max loss limit, slides to $0. Rule like other firms, your max loss limit remains untouched after withdrawal. This right here is the seller. On Top Step, your max loss limit goes to 0 after a payout. With this, it stays the same. Profit split is 70, 80 to 90, grows up to 90% profit split. Advanced accounts, the premium product of the industry, $15,000 max withdrawal per account. No daily loss guard, no consistency rule, no news trading restrictions, no scaling plan, 90% off profit split, weekly withdrawals, requests every 5 days, withdraw up to 50% profits every 5 winning days. After 30 days, you can withdraw 100% profits. Max allocation, $450,000 max allocation. 0 counts, 1 day to pass, no consistency rule and evaluation, 0 activation fee, 90% crazy accounts, and then the live program as well. All right, there we go. Code Ben. Now let's do the giveaway, guys. So what I'm going to be doing with this giveaway is a little bit different. All right, a little bit different with this giveaway. I want everyone to be in my Discord and type 1. I'm going to pick a few people in general chat that types 1. And I'm going to put them on the wheel. And it's max allocation. So there's one winner that wins 5 max allocation accounts with Alpha Futures. All right. So I'm going to pick a few people. I'm closing my eyes. It's 5 100K zeros. So we can do 2 winners. 1 winner for 3 accounts, 1 winner for 2 accounts. Okay. Closing and stop. Okay. I'm picking bottom up. So, Chief Moist. Oh, I can't. Hold on. Chief Moist, you're on full port. Will. Fiji. 1D, Navi, Granny with the Grand, JSTN, Big EJRX2. AR2 Chris Danny. A few more guys. Boris. Twin. Taylor James 89. All right, the first winner. All right, the first winner, which is going to be for 2 accounts, 2 100K Alpha Zero accounts, is Pigsy. Pigsy. All right, the next winner is for 3 accounts. Danny and Pigsy, congratulations. I will message you. at Peg D. Bro, why are you guys still spamming? Holy. Guys, stop spamming. Bro, stop. There he is. There he is. All right. Fellas. Congratulations for the account giveaway winners. Stay disciplined. I wouldn't trade this market right now, guys. It's really ugly. Stay safe. We are so far 2 break-even days, 2 losing days. But really not bad losing days. So we will be back tomorrow, 9:20 a.m. Eastern time, maybe PM session. We'll see. So stay tuned. I'll let you guys know. We did stream PM yesterday. And you remember me? Of course I did. Got a payout got my first payout 2 weeks ago. Let's go, brother. Congratulations. All right. Everybody, we're going to finish in prayer and then I'll see you guys later. Crazy rip. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for another amazing day and opportunity. Lord, please be with us, protect us, and forgive us our sins. Glory, praise be to your name. Please remind us that everything happens for a reason and be with us as we live throughout your word. In Jesus Christ's holy amazing name we pray. Amen. All right, fellas. I'll see you guys in the next one. Losing day today, but hey, really good risk management. We cut risk very, very, very well. So stay tuned. God bless. Take care. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.